Hi everybody. In this lesson we are going to be talking about lines, and there's so many different types of lines, and most likely I have already read this story to you titled Lines That Wiggle. I'm going to set this aside, and the lines that we're going to probably talk about today, let me turn my paper this way, we'll have some zigzag, looping lines, and you can see zigzag up and down, looping lines, wavy lines, straight, diagonal, and then of course a broken line. Now today we're not going to be drawing these lines. We're actually going to be using a very fun material that's in this bowl that I have to carefully put in the screen here. It's in a bowl. Yeah, there's a line in there. You're going to have at your table a bowl of black paint, and you're going to have a clip that's hanging off the edge of the bowl. It's probably going to be a clothespin, but I didn't have one handy, so I used one of these clips. And attached to the clip is this very long line. This is what you're going to paint with today. You're going to paint with a line. It's so easy to do. Let me set this outside of the camera and I will show you. You're going to have a nice big white piece of paper, and of course have your name on the back so I know whose is whose, because these will look so amazing. You're going to want to make sure you get yours back. When you are ready, I'll put this back for a minute, you're going to lift the line out of the bowl. And you can see this little spot didn't get any paint on it. You're going to see that the line is very long. Yep, oops, it's attached to my stick. Hold on. I'll get that out of the way. It's very long. So I'm going to take this, where's the end of it? There's the end of it. I'm going to move my bowl away so you can see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my line, and with that paint on it, I'm just going to let my line lay down on the paper. Then I'm going to lift it up. Then I'm going to lay it down. And I'm going to lift it up. And I'm just going to move my line how I would like it around my paper. And you can see the designs are so fun that it makes. Now if it starts to get like the paint color is fading away, you can go back to the dish of paint and add more paint to it. But actually, your hands shouldn't get dirty at all with this. Well, maybe just your fingers. But you can see how easy it is. Now, I think I'm done. You don't want to do too much, because we are going to do something with this painting next time once it's dry. So I've put my line back in the paint. And now, just before we take it to the dry rack, look to see all the different types of lines you can identify. Look at, I can see a wavy, a looping line. And when a line closes up and it touches each other, that creates a shape. So I hope you have fun taking your line for a walk today on your big white piece of paper.